Hi everybody, I'm just making a vlog to visit FYLDE Coast, and they're just bringing the boats in from Wyre Angling Club, and it looks really scenic and pretty, so I thought I'd take advantage while they just happened to have stumbled into my field of vision and take an extra quick little video. It's a lovely Friday afternoon in November, one of those lovely crisp days, and I've got my wellies on, I'm sitting in the water and I'm just watching them jacking the boat back up, or whatever it is that they call it. So they go out fishing, the tractors wait on the beach for the day, and then they hook, as you can see, the boat up to the back of the trailer on the tractor and then drive the boat back up onto shore. So you can see the other tractor there, and there's all the other trailers as well for the people that are out still at sea fishing. And their club, they go up that ramp there at the side of the venue, and their clubhouse and boat storage, tractor storage facility is at the side of the venue on Cleveleys Garden. So there it is, winching away out of the water. That looks hard work, doesn't it? And the guy's got back in the tractor and he's going to drive it back off. But he's had a lovely afternoon out there fishing because it's a beautiful day. Really lovely. Look at the waves. You won't believe it could be as bad as it could be. There we go. Pitching a lift on the back of the trailer. And off he goes back to the boat store. And they bring the rest of them out when they come back. I can just vaguely see a little boat somewhere out there on the horizon. And they go up the ramp. And then the others come back in. Don't forget to subscribe to Visit FYLDE Coast, and we will share with you all the little interesting things that we catch while we're out and about.